Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is March the 2nd. And seeing some weakness in the spies over the last few days, and now we have broken our trend line going back to the lows in March. Our last line of defense, or looks like we're going to open up right around this 200-day moving average, which is below this low back over here in February. So keep an eye if this 200 can't hold, it can get kind of ugly. We could see it, drop down to 387 pretty quickly, and then who knows from there. So it's kind of a defensive as far as swing trades to the long goes right now. But anyway, let's take a look at some stocks that may be on the radar today, because there's always some stocks that are performing well. I mentioned VIS the other day, and now this thing is taking out all-time highs, it looks like, this morning in pre-market. One that you may watch, it's in the same sector. It was actually one of our strength alert calls from Michael early in the week. This MDU has had a nice 3-day pullback. Look for a bar reversal in that MDU. Uh, let's see. Jable has been holding up very well. Okay. And it looks like it's attempting to possibly go through all-time highs, or maybe I'm off a little bit. I'm pretty sure it is, though. So watch Jable through that area. Uh, CRM earnings today. Keep an eye on. You can see the gap up right around 194. It needs to hold this level. This basically be a 1-year high there. If it can hold this 194.30 area this morning, could act like First Solar did yesterday. If it does, and maybe try to go up here and fill this gap around 210 or something like that. So keep an eye on CRM this morning, and that's going to get it. Keep it tight out there, guys.